Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use or add JazzCash as a payment method on Binance. First, open the
After
Binance
that,
app
you need to
and head
actually
over to the
buy
P2P
anything,
section.
like if
If
you
you
want to
want to
trade with
buy crypto
anybody
from
or
other
if you want to
users,
buy
many
credit
sellers on
using
Binance
Binance. So
P2P
sometimes
accept
when you want to trade
JazzCash
with
as a
people,
payment
some
option,
people will
making
accept
it easier for
JazzCash
users
as
in
payment method.
Pakistan to purchase
Also, there is
crypto
another
directly.
way, another form.
Another method is to go to your wallet, select Add Funds, and choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then select your preferred payment option. If you are using P2P, Binance may ask whether you have experience with P2P trading. Simply choose the option that applies to you. Next, find a seller who accepts JazzCash. If a seller doesn't support JazzCash directly, you can transfer money from your JazzCash account to your bank account and then use the bank transfer option to complete the payment. Once you have found a suitable seller, enter the amount you want to spend, review the details, and click Place Order. After placing the order, send the payment using the seller's JazzCash details or bank account information, depending on the payment method they provide. Once the payment is completed, confirm it on Binance and wait for the seller to release your crypto. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.